晚上8點正，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警告，8號西北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹西北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺晚上8點，熱帶風暴尼格集結喺香港天文台之東南約100公里，即北緯21.6度，東經114.7度附近，預料向西北移動，時速約10公里，靠近珠江口一帶。尼格已進入香港天文台100公里範圍內，受尼格相關雨帶影響，珠江口一帶間中有狂風驟雨。8號烈風或暴風信號至少會維持至今晚10點。喺過去1-2小時，與尼格相關嘅對流有所減弱，但其中心附近仍有烈風，預料尼格會進一步減弱。8號烈風或暴風信號維持嘅時間會視乎尼格嘅減弱程度。如尼格減弱為一個熱帶低氣壓，或本港嘅風力顯著減弱嘅時候，天文台會改發較低嘅熱帶氣旋警告信號。海面有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，大老山、橫瀾島及長洲分別錄得最高持續風速為每小時71、64及43公里，最高陣風分別為每小時86、75及71公里。有關最新天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正之風暴消息。
8 o'clock in the evening, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 northwest gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected from the northwest quarter. At 8 p.m., Tropical Storm Nalgae was centered about 100 kilometers southeast of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 21.6 degrees north, 114.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 10 kilometers per hour, edging closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Nalgae has come within 100 kilometers of the Hong Kong Observatory. Under the influence of the rain bands associated with Nalgae, there will be occasional squally showers over the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. The number 8 gale or storm signal will remain in force before 10 p.m. tonight. In the past couple of hours, convections associated with Nalgae have weakened, but there are still gales close to its center. Nalgae will weaken further. For how long the number 8 gale or storm signal will be maintained thereafter depends on the degree of weakening of Nalgae. If Nalgae weakens into a tropical depression or local winds weaken significantly, the observatory will issue a lower tropical cyclone warning signal. Seas are very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Waglan Island and Cheung Chau were 71, 64 and 43 kilometers per hour with maximum gusts 86, 75 and 71 kilometers per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours at 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報道完畢。